How to log into Instagram without recovery code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log into your Instagram account without recovery code. Now, if you want to log into your account but Instagram is asking for your recovery code, it's probably either if you have tried for recovery code because you forgot your password or if Instagram doesn't recognize you as the user. The most easiest way to get through it is if you remember your password, type in your password and try logging in through the device that you usually use or is familiar with the account. Now, what this does is it helps Instagram verify you as the user and it might not ask for recovery code. Now, if you don't have your password and if you don't have the device that you normally use your account, then you might not have the other way around, because Instagram is very biased on security issues. So due to security reasons, it won't let you log in unless you type in your recovery password or try logging in through the device that you usually use your account or is familiar with the account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.